I'm going to tell you about how you can create the quiz or exam on the Google Classroom. So for the quiz and just for example, I have just chosen a set of very simple and basic questions. And through this example, I'm going to tell you about how you can create the similar quiz or exam for your students. So first of all, to take or to create the quiz or exam on the Google Classroom, you have to sign into your Google Classroom app. I'm going to show you each step one by one. First of all, you have to go into the Google Classroom. Google Classroom app. After opening the Google Classroom app, just click on the class. For which class you are going to arrange the quiz. So I'm going to arrange the quiz for this class. I have to click on it. Then just simply click, there the four options will appear on the top: stream, classwork, people and grades. So you have to click on the classwork. Then after the classwork, there is the option create. Just click on the create. Then what you want to create, because I want to create the quiz or just exam. So this is just simple method I'm going to tell. So by following these steps, you can create your own quiz and your own exam. So then select the quiz assignment. Okay. So as I'm going to take the general quiz, so I'm going to give its name quiz. Just give the name, title. Just put the title here, whatever you the quiz from the topic or the midterm or the final exam, then make the title here. Then instructions, if you want to give any instruction, because I'm going to arrange just telling you about general. So this is the general instructions. Okay. Then click from here, choose from here what type of quiz you are going to create. Then click on the create and select the forms. Click on the Google Forms. Then the Google Form tab will appear in the next tab. Then what you have to do, as I have chosen the very basic 5 questions, just only to how you can make this quiz. Then first of all, title. The title is for this quiz, to the quiz. Then the first question, let's suppose the first question is I'm going to ask about the student's name. So I have to ask, you can ask the multiple choice question, and also you can ask about the short question answer. So if I have to choose the short answer, there are the options given. I have to choose the option from here, go to the short answers. Then from short answer, I have to ask name. Okay. So this require, you have to click on the required. So required means that this is compulsory. Students cannot move by attempting this question. So this question is compulsory. So required. So students can't move to the next question before attempting this question. Then next. The next question I'm going to choose for the multiple choice question. So there will be the multiple choice. The next question is I'm going to ask about the department. So as this question are the multiple choice questions, so the choices will appear here. So you can put on the options like first semester, sorry, department. So you can put the names here. Then next, then next, then next. So I have given the four options. So this is how you can create the multiple choice question answers for your exam. Then this is also required because all questions are required and all questions must be attempted by the students. And if you don't want the students to leave it blank or don't want them to be required, then don't click on the required. Next question. Next question, I'm going with the same multiple choice question because mostly we follow for the exam and for the quizzes, most of the time we use these two patterns like MCQs, like multiple choice question answers and short question answers we basically use. So that's why I'm not going for the other options. Otherwise, you can also choose the other type of questions. But the most common type of questions that are used by our examination system are multiple choice and short answer. Okay, so again, to which semester the students belong? Semester first. Okay. Next, I'm going to choose the short question answer for the student. This will be the short question. In short question, I'm going to choose very basic, but you can give the questions accordingly, according to the subject and according to the topics. I'm going to choose it for short answer. So it will be short answer given by the student, or you can change into paragraph. If you want a long question by the student, then you can simply click on the paragraph. But I want the short answer for it, then you have to click on the short answer. Or if you want the long question, then you can click on the paragraph. But I want the short answer for it because I will ask the students for the short answer. So that's why I'm going to select the short answer. Okay. So now this is all done. Okay, you can preview. Okay, go to the classroom. Okay, so this is the preview, how this quiz will appear to the students. This is the preview for the quiz, that this is how the students will see this quiz. Now come to this classroom. Now this quiz is prepared as we have for sure for making sure that all the things are correct and cross-checked. So you can again view. Okay, so there are 5 questions included in it, including short question and including the MCQs. So there are some other changes that points I want to give the 10 points. So I will assign the 10 points, date and time. So you can select the date and time from here. Date that today's 19th. Okay, and you can select the time. So I'm going to give the time for, okay, so this time is okay. So you can select the time as during quiz or exam, we just give the 30 minutes or 1 hour or 2 hour. So you can change the time or you can allot the time from here, not just simply assign. So there are the groups. If you want this or you want to make the separate exam or the separate, if you have made 3 or 4 papers for different group of students, then you can arrange here. Like if you want to send it to all students or you want to send it to the specific students. So there are the options. If you have made groups and you want to send it to specific group of students, then you can select from here. And if you want to send it to all of the students, then keep it for all of the students. Then click finally after all of these processes assigned to the students. Okay. Now the quiz is assigned to the students. Now let's come to the dashboard again. Okay. So now this quiz, students students can assess and see this quiz. Just simply how you will students can directly reach to this quiz as they will be notified if they are added to the classroom, or if you want to make them aware and to send them link, then just click on here, copy the link. Okay, the link is copied and you can mail the students. You can also personally mail individual email. You can send them to students. You have copied the link and then just send them to the students. Just copy paste it and send it to the different students.